Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a one small, project using VBA, right? And it will be the integration of Excel with Outlook, right? So here you already can see on the screen it is written here: efficient email management, automating Outlook emails archiving with the VBA, right? So what we will be doing, for example, it will help us in a two way. First, if we want to look at, for example, that we have a date, as you can see I have a date from 1st August to 29th of August. I want to see, okay, on these date how many emails that I sent, right? So what I will do, I will go in the sent item and I will look at on this date, okay, and whatever, I will get the count. Okay, so we need to we need to print the count against each respective date, how many emails that we have sent against each dates, right? And if we have look at, if we want to show, if we want to, for example, here against 3rd of August, here 10 email I sent, and here we want to print or we want to save those email in particular folder, right? We want to archive them, okay, we want to archive them in a specific folder on a desktop, in a download, and wherever you want to save them, in your system, that you also can do. For example, I want to get, for example, I right now I don't have any value in this column. I want to see how many emails I have sent on these dates, right? So what I will do, I will click on this first. So you will be able to see on 1st of August 000, on 6th of August, if you will look at, right? So here I have one email, right? I want to save this one email. Where what I need to do, I need to write here yes, and in the folder path where I want to save, I want to save here. Okay, for example, I want to save here. If I will click on save email, I will be able to see save email. You see one email has been saved, right? If I will open it, you see, if I will open it, so it will be the email of the respective date, okay, against which we have saved it, right? It is the 6th of August, right? And we have 6th of August, right? So this is what actually, if we want to save these 75 emails, so what I can do, I yes, and the same path I can remove it here, okay, and I can delete it from this. So as soon as I will click on the save email, so all the 75 emails will get saved in that particular folder, right? That is what actually we need to do, and it is little tricky task, right? We will be creating this project from the scratch, okay, and you guys will look at, and I will also attach the file in the description box. From there you guys can download it and you can start to use it, and definitely it will help you out more, right? So the 75 emails you guys can see, right? So let's start how we can do it and how we can create it. For example, you need to create this particular format. You can write the date, and now I'm pressing alt F11, alt IM. Okay, in the module 3 I'm gonna write the code option explicit. As always, that if we want to integrate our VBA, right? So our Outlook with the VBA, what we need to do, we need to go in the tools, go in the references, and here you need to enable the Microsoft Outlook 16.0 object library, right? Without this you won't be able to integrate your Outlook, right? So this is the mandatory thing. And here I'm writing here get count, for example, I'm writing, and here you need to declare couple of variables. For example, dim ot as new Outlook emails application, oml as Outlook mail item, dim filter as variant, okay, variant, and after that k as an integer, and after that, very very important thing is oms outlook dot namespace dim. After that, what we need to do is oms we have done, ot outlook we have done, and filter k variable we also, and here folder outlook dot folder. That's it, I think. And one more I think I'm missing here, which should be os oml filter oms folder, and that would be your, yes, that would be your sent item as Outlook items, right? It is a very important variable declaration we need to do. Right here, set oms ot dot get namespace. Right here, mapi, and here set folder oms dot get default folder. We need to select the send mail, right? Here after that we need to run the loop from 4k row number 8, right? It is this date is starting from row number 8, so 8 to cells rows dot count. It is a dynamic line we are writing here, and excelup dot row. Next k, right here what we need to do, we need to write here filter. In the filter you need to write this filter line, which is very important guys. Sent on greater than equal to, the date, format and the date which is mentioned in a column, k dot value, okay, d 5 times d, okay, h semicolon m, right, h and am and pm, close the bracket, and again sent on, and here less than equal to, right, format range we need to do +1, a k dot value +1, okay. In the first format, that if you will look at, so here we have not +1, here we have not done +1, but in the last, less than equal to, here therein we need to put +11 +1, okay. So d h and n, am and pm, okay. That's it we have done. After that we need to we need to write here range, where we want to print the numbers in b column, b k dot value. Here you need to write oml dot items. We need to declare it first, okay. We need to declare it set oml yes, set, not oml, we can do it set sent items. In the sent items we need to do oml dot items. We need to declare it first, set. Here write set oml dot ot dot create item, ol mail item, right. Here we need to do set sent item, here we need to write what we need to write. We need to write oml dot items, not it should be set sent item first, and after that, very important thing, folder dot items, okay. Restrict, in the restriction you need to write here filter, okay, filter. And now let's start to print from b column, bk dot value, okay, sent item dot count, simple, okay. That's it. This is a simple code you need to write. Message box, all done. I'm writing here all done. So if you will look at, so here we don't have any values. As soon as we will run this code, you see I'm pressing F5. As soon as I press F5, now you see this is the code which is helping us to getting the count of the number of counts, that how many emails that we have sent on these dates, on the respective dates, right. But now the second condition is that if I want to save this 75 emails, so what I need to do, I want to write here yes, and the path you need to mention which path. This is wherever you want to paste it, simple. Right, now let's write the second code. You need to just copy all the variables, write the second sub procedure, save emails 111, okay, save it. And after that, here very important thing is that you need to do, let's start. Set oms dot ot dot get namespace mapi, and set fldr folder oms dot get default folder. Again we need to select here sent mail. In the sent mail you need to the next line which you need to do, set oml ot dot create item ol mail item, right. And here you need to again run the loop from row number 8 to cells rows dot count, okay, a dot and excelup dot row, right. Here you need to write filter. In the filter, here you need to, if range in c column, if we have anything, yes, we only want to save that. We want to save those only emails, right. K dot value, if it is yes, then what should happen, it should be filter Filter would be this one. Again you need to send on. This is the very important line, guys. You need to remember it. Format range a k dot value d d d d d h and n am pm and sent on less than equal to format again range, let me range a k dot value plus 1. Okay, as we did in the above code, d d d d d h n n am pm, right? That's it. We need to do only these things, and after that we need to store it in where we need to store it. What we can do is we can start writing code, but we need to declare one more variable to save all the emails dim count as long, right? In the long, let's run it as count equal to 0 for each oml in folder dot items dot restrict and the filter. Okay, that's it. And after that you need to save the email where oml dot save as where in d column range d k dot value. Okay, and after that email you can write email and counter, and after that oml what we can do is format oml dot receive time. No, we are making mistake somewhere. Range d and k. Okay, here we are making mistake here. Receive time. Okay, received time ddmmm. Okay, dot msg. Okay, olmsg, right? That's it. This is the path where we need to save. Right here, count plus 1, simple. Next oml, and after that and if next k message box all emails saved, simple. This is the code, guys, which you can write, right? Let me run it. We don't have any emails so far, right? What I am doing, 75 emails I want to save. I'm pressing f8 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 f8. Let's see, is it working or not? No, it's not, because still Ruby is running. Okay, now it seems okay. I'm pressing. Okay, let me see. Okay, the emails actually being saved, right? So let me run it in a one go. I'm pressing F5. Now let's see. And apart from that, if you want to see the progress bar, that you also can do, as I already created the progress bar multiple times in my multiple projects, right? That you can replicate the code, you can replicate the concept, right? And how you need to implement that into this project. That is something, if you will get stuck somewhere, you guys can let me know. Let me see all the emails. The 75 emails I can see on my on my specific folder. This is called archiving. We are archiving the emails, right? So that we can have a backup. Okay, this is how also you can back up your emails. You can check how many emails that we have sent. If somebody is asking the records, that you can send this file in that particular system. You can run this right, and automatically it will be counting your the number of emails that you have sent on the respective dates. Only you just need to change the date. For example, I am changing here 1st Jan 2024. Let me see. Now get emails. I'm pressing get emails, right? So now here 2 emails I can see. I want to save it. For example, I am just removing all these emails again, 75 to 75. I'm running it. Save emails. As soon as I did, you see 2 emails should have been in this folder. You see, if I will open it, let me open it for your view. Let me open it. So if you will look at the email first of, you see 12th of June 12th of June sorry 12th of Jan 2024, and yes, where I did 12th of Jan 2024, right? So this is how that you guys can do. This is completely dynamic. I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it and you can start using it. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.